Hey everybody, Noah Luke here with MarineMax in St. Pete. We're going to hop on a Boston Whaler 250 Outrage, a brand new 2024. So come on, let's step aboard. Starting off from the bow of the boat here, we do have the windlass anchor option. Now that is obviously important. Hey, when you're offshore fishing, you pull up to your spot, the GPS coordinate, and then maybe you're on a wreck, maybe you're on a reef. Feel free to anchor up and start fishing. We do have cushions here for the front. And you'll notice that in front of the center console here, we do have a sun pad that is optimal for sitting with dedicated storage underneath. Step into the helm here. Now, you've probably seen a billion videos on what makes Boston Whaler different, right? A foam-filled design, unmatched ride quality, unsinkable legend, but you really do have to get on the boat, touch it, feel it to experience the difference. We optioned this boat up from the factory blank right here. So if you are a Garmin guy, if you're a Simrad guy, if you're a Raymarine guy, you have a blank canvas, this boat can be yours in whatever fashion that you want it to be. We do have JL audio, all of your RPM screens. You are good to go there. Obviously the steering wheel does go in a different configuration for if you're really tall, if you're sitting down. These bolster seats do pop down for when you do want to sit in a chair, and then it turns into a dedicated leaning post at the helm. Moving forward to the stern of the boat here, you notice that there's interesting handrail here, and that is for when you're underway, maybe you're in some 2 to 3 footers, your guys standing in the back here, they always have a place to hold onto the boat. A really cool option. If you aren't driving, right, and you're hanging out, you gotta have a place where you can support yourself. Secondary live well, we do have the additional live well here in the back of the boat so you can throw a bait, use the stern of the boat to do your fishing. Lift this up. When you're underway, plenty of seating. When you're fishing, simply put this back. Now this boat is powered by Mercury 225 V6s. Great power package for this boat, right? So, lastly, we do have your freshwater shower. If you are gonna stop at the sandbar after a day of fishing or want to clean the deck off with some fresh water, feel free to do so. You'll notice in that whatever Boston Whaler that you are interested in, all of your wiring is really clean. Easy access to all your bilge pumps. That is the Boston Whaler 25 Outrage. I'm sure you guys have plenty of more questions. 813-277-8105 is my direct line. Feel free to reach out. I can do a customized video for you at any time. See you out in the water. Noah Luke, MarineMax St. Pete.